Struggling to log into your Deepseek using your Gmail account? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Deepseek using your Gmail account. It's super simple, so watch the video till the end. Open the Deepseek app. Here you can see sign in with Google. Tap on it. Tap on agree. Now choose the account from which you wanna log in Deepseek. Click on it and click on continue. And that's it, you are signed in to your Deepseek app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.